Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make $1,000 per month on Instagram with no followers. That's right, you don't need any followers to follow this method, and with it, you can be making up to $1,000 or even more if you scale it up per month recurring revenue. This is a great way to create some passive income for yourself and create an online business and be able to work wherever you like and still get paid. So let's jump into it. We're on Instagram. What you want to be doing is first of all jumping into Google, and you want to find a business type and a location. So currently I'm based in Auckland, New Zealand. So as an example, we can type in maybe burgers, burger restaurant, burger restaurants, Auckland. I want to search that up, and then basically you want to come down here into the Google results, click on more places. It's going to bring up the whole list of burger restaurants in Auckland. You can do this for gyms, for chiropractors, osteopaths, all sorts of businesses. But for the purposes of this example, I'm just going to be using burger restaurants. So you look down here and you want to click on some of these and open up their websites, and you can open that in a new tab. Go down the list. Try to find ones further down the list. They're the ones we're going to be looking at. But keep them open. So open as many as you can. As you can see here, I've already opened up some, so we'll jump into that. I was just clicking into this one to show you an example. This is Burger. You'll find in New Zealand a lot of burger places called something burger or burger something, and it's very odd there. But yeah, so what you can do, and you find their Instagram, you scroll down to the bottom of their website, click on their Instagram and bring that page up. Remember to keep all the business tabs open. So they have 30,000 followers. Okay, so that's quite a few, and you can have a look here. Look at what their posts are getting. It's quite a big one, 1,000. Okay, that's a good one there. It's a video. But what I've done is I've gone down the list and I've opened up Better Burgers here. Better Burger, you got Corner Burger. I've gone right down to the bottom. I found the Burger Batch over here. So let's look at these. So you got this one here has 30,000 followers. There's another business, Better Burger. They have 10,000 followers. The next one here, Corner Burger, has 1,500 followers, and the Burger Batch is by far the worst with 40 followers. So the idea here is basically you're going to be approaching some of these businesses and offering your services to help them grow their Instagram, and you're going to charge for your time and charge for these services. Now stay with me, because you're probably thinking, look, I don't have time to run people's Instagram accounts, but I'm going to teach you how you can automate it as well. So stay with me here. So what you want to do is you want to take one of these big ones as an example, and use that to reach out to these businesses and say, hey, I noticed that you've got this many followers. There's other, your competitors have got this many followers and a growing their following. I was wondering if I could help you. Now, to get started, you may have to offer a free trial, but if it works for them and they're happy, you offer them. You say, look, I'm happy to continue, but I will need to be paid. And all you need to do is charge. You could charge $500 per month for the service, and then you'd need only 2 clients, and that's your $1,000 per month. Even if you cut it cheaper, $250 per month, you need 4 clients. You could do $100 per month, which is super affordable for most businesses, and you could you could have 10 clients there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use these bigger Instagram accounts as examples, and saying, look, this is what your Instagram can look like. And if you if you show them what they basically, what these businesses are doing, they're basically got, high quality images, and they're really promoting them. This one here, they might already have a following, quite naturally and organically, and that's what we're mostly going to be focusing on. But how you can grow someone's Instagram account, like one of these ones here, is consistent content and making use of hashtags. So you want to make sure you're using hashtags to grow these accounts. But someone like this is a great example. 40 followers. Even this one's not too bad. 1,500 followers. You can still help them with growing this account. They've got 1,500 followers and their engagement is very low. So you want to offer them your services and say that, hey, I can help with your engagement and bring in more customers through the doors. I mean, what kind of business isn't going to want more customers? So this is where you're going to make your money. Now, I've told you what we're actually doing and how to do it, but you're probably wondering, how can I get myself out of the picture and turn this into a passive income? So what you're going to want to do is find an automation service for Instagram. There's quite a few out there, so do a bit of research, but I found a good one here in postearly.com. So they're a US-based website, US-based service, and they basically take control of all the Instagram posting and growth for you. So if you scroll down, you can have a read of all this information. They do a really great job. They're supported, they're being featured on all these platforms here. And if you come down to pricing, you've got the 3 levels. You got basic, power, professional. I would just opt for something like this. $23 per month is all you're paying, and you can have up to 16 accounts. So if you're charging your customers and you've got enough to make $1,000 per month, your outgoings are only $23 per month. That is, that's $977 per month profit. Alright, so that's a great way to do it. I would opt for this one, but feel free to go for these ones as well. With the top end one, this is what you get. You get auto follow, auto unfollow. The more people you follow, the more people you can unfollow. You get auto likes, auto comment, welcome DM, an auto repost. With a welcome DM, that's a personal message. So you could ask the business owner if they're happy to provide you with a coupon to give customers a discount. And that way, as soon as a follower follows the business, they get a coupon code. It brings them in the door straight away, and that's an instant customer and instant success for your client. So it's a great way to do that. If you're not wanting to use an automation if you're not wanting to use an automation service, these are other things you want to be doing. So if you want to save a bit of money and do it yourself, this is what you do. So if you're growing one of these accounts to 40 followers or the 1,500 followers, you come back to one of these bigger ones like 30,000 or 10,000, and you go through the people who are liking the photos. So if you look at this one, it's got 70 likes. You can click on that, and it brings up all these people, and you want to go through and follow all these people. Follow. And then, hopefully you get a few follows back, and after a week or two, you unfollow those people. And that's how you go about it. So that's a great way to do it. Or, like I said, you can pay this company here, and they'll take care of all of it for you, which I think is the wiser choice. It gets you out of the picture, and that way you can just collect the money and just maintain that relationship with these business owners. So there you have it. You don't need this is how to make money on Instagram without any followers whatsoever. It's a great business model to follow, and it can create a passive income for yourself. So I hope you got something great out of this video. I'm keen to hear if any of you guys try it out and how you get on. So please let me know in the comments below. And if you learned something, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. I try to release videos as frequently as possible to help you guys create an online income. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.